How to find starred messages in chat on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and now just select any chat you want, like this one, Spotify, and then click these 3 points in the top corner. After that click search in conversation, and once you're here just click start, and that's it, and you will find it. As you see, I have no start messages here, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.